The pandemic has stopped progress when it comes to combating poverty and disease worldwide. And when it comes to vaccinations that prevent death, a new study suggests we've been set back 25 years. In a worldwide war on poverty and disease, there had been some progress made in the battle, but then COVID-19 hit.
It means that we're going to have a lot of building back to do, a lot.
The fourth annual Goalkeepers Report, recently published by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, analyzed damage the pandemic has done and continues to do to health, economies, and more, and argues the world must work together to overcome it.
We have to think creatively and innovatively about every single category of health as we think about how do we invest and make the right investments on behalf of people.
The report says extreme poverty has gone up by 7% in just a few months because of COVID-19.
After 20 years of gains on extreme poverty, we now have another over 35 million people dropping backwards into extreme poverty, which means they live on less than $1.90 a day. That is unbelievable.
The report says one of the most important questions the world now faces is how quickly low-income countries can catch back up to where they were and start making progress again. The hardest-hit countries will need support, the report says, to make sure that what should be temporary reversals don't become permanent. Now, before the pandemic, the report says vaccinations reached over 80% of the world's children and prevented more than 2 million deaths. But because of COVID-19, vaccine coverage is dropping to levels last seen in the 1990s.